Yo, how does that song go? And the trumpets, they go.
Good morning. Lots of boobs on my YouTube. Okay. Just having this. It's another day in Koh Samui. Blueberry Greek yogurt and some muesli. Quick snacks before we leave, so bread, butter, and juice. This tastes like gulgula, the fugiyas, exact same.
About 1.5 hours to get there.
Okay.
We have a toilet over there, the left one, but our toilet is only for the PP. And then
Saturday.
Always right, eh?
How is it?
Too good.
So we are on the second stop. Unfortunately, we can't film because I can't risk my Osmo. Anyway, but there's a lot of seaweed. What is it called? Sea algae. So it's a little difficult for us to like actually see. Dan did see a nice life though. Yeah. Second stop. I'm hoping for something good. I like that sauce, man. Okay, we've come on which island is it? Paradise?
Konayang.
Yeah. Konayang.
Mini paradise.
Mini paradise. The water is super clean here. We had our lunch and I'm a little bloated now. Anyway, we can do snorkeling or hiking or do both, hai na? So, yeah. Your phone is with you? Please keep it safe. हाँ नहीं उधर नहीं पक लॉक के लिए ये कौन टिकट आने कौन काय हाँ तेरे पानी है ना I had such an amazing time. It's really weird because we couldn't capture the memories, but it's all stored in our head. It's just a core memory for me right now. It's so good. Hannah, did you like it? It was a core memory for me because there was no one else recording. It was just here We saw a lot of fishes. We don't know their names. We saw a big one that was almost, yeah, like it was very huge. Yeah, almost bigger than a human face actually. But yeah, very huge. Have fun. And then we're going back to the boat. You're tanned as hell, but don't care, it's fine. We found a cafe restaurant. It's in Beaufort, and the place is quite like lively, anyway, colorful, very maximalist. I'll show you. Just get my hair, wearing the helmet, and my curls, I've lost it. I had a really nice shower, new curl hair, but it's all gone now. See, just in a real hair element. Yeah. Even the tablecloths and everything, it's very wild. No? Come to Cafe 69. The place is wild, and the names of the dishes are also wild now. The cocktails have been written under hardcore. Just Set Me on Fire, My Bloody Valentine, My Better Half, Judas Kiss. So it's all. Then there's 69 Passion, and then the hardcore alcohol is written as Take Me to the Dark Room. What drink are you taking?
Me, China.
Okay.
What about you?
Oh, I'll have the 69 Passion.
169 Passion,
Yeah.
1 Chang.
Chicken king curry pie.
Thank you.
With curry sauce.
Okay. That as well.
Chicken king curry pie. I recommend you eat together with mango and Thai basil mixed together.
Okay. Amazing. Voila. So I'll tell you what all we had. We had grilled pomelo prawn salad, then we had garlic fried rice with grilled beef. There's something else. Yeah, green chicken curry pie.
What the fuck, dude? I look so funny in this. Look at me. Look at this. Great shop and PSP. Crazy, no?
Yeah.
Hello.
Bye.
क्या दोगे आप?
These stores, but I think I'll come tomorrow. It's a good place to take souvenirs home though. There's a lot of souvenirs and fragrance. Look at this. Is this a magnet? It is a magnet. Have a? Look at these cute magnets. Hi. That's Olala. दुकानदार बोलने वाली थी
क्या बोल
Shit, this is so. Cantina. See, she says that color of the. So inside Fisherman's Village, there's this street. I don't know where and how, but you have these local small vendors. So we love the fruit shake here. Our favorite is mango, banana, strawberries. Mango more, banana and strawberry less. So like in terms of proportion, it's mango, then banana, and then strawberry.
Thank you.
Kapunka.
This will work? Sorry. The Krabi one, no one has beaten the Krabi wala yet. Krabi.
Krabi wala mango shake.
अपन गाड़ी के ना रेले.
Really, mein babu. Krabi wala, we went to that street na, Krabi night street.
हाँ
अपन breakfast ला गेले तिथे.
हाँ हाँ.
Tiथे we had that mango shake. No one has beaten that yet.
नाही पहिला मला वाटतं आपण रेलीला खाला.
We have come in some street and we have no idea how to go back to the main road. We'll just take this and we'll go back to the same route we followed. हाँ हाँ उसमें yeah don't honk. Ready? Woo, one sec. I had a polka dot scarf bandana on my head. It's not there anymore. I don't know. I think it flew or. But I remember like taking it off and putting it. So. He's done with me already. That's the first thing I've lost on the trip. We can still find it if we go back.
Sorry man.
Oh. Dirty coffee, some Thai matcha actually, coffee with something they drew, I don't know. Everything was polka dot, literally. I don't even have a picture of it. Anyway, it's another day in Koh Samui and we've just stepped out to explore. We have come to Roastery Village. Yeah, for some coffee. Dan's ordered Thai style, I ordered dirty coffee, and this.
हाँ मैं तू रेली भी जो
Couple massage. Dan's just parking the Gadi. We have taken relaxing natural oil massage since it has a heart. So this mostly.
มุ่งก็ขออนุญาต
It's really good. Yeah. We found this cute cafe called Bakaba, so we're mostly going there for lunch. My battery is super low, but yeah, we've ordered pad thai chicken, one papaya salad with prawn, and one shake, the favorite one. So yeah, this is the view. No. We're at this feed me. Okay, I can go. We took this as well. The crab है. देखो यहाँ prawns है.
No, thank you.
Yeah, I need to eat too, so. Yeah. Hot. थोड़ी देर है. We're back to have the mango shake. Huh?
Yeah. I dropped them a text. That guy came. He took the bike and he went.
Yeah.
Actually, you can call me that. And now you go Phuket.
Yep.
For how long?
7 hours.
7 nights. Wow.
No. 2 nights, but
2 nights.
but 7 hours of journey to reach Phuket.
We're on our way to Phuket from Koh Samui. We've left and it's a little sad. I really like this place. House is dropping us back to the Nithon here. From Koh Samui to Phuket. We did the ferry travel till Krabi, and then from Krabi we got into a bus and we're still reaching. How much more time? It's a total journey of around 7 hours starting to end. So yeah, done. What time is it? 5:20. Okay. We've taken 2 2 stops so far, but yeah. He's gonna pass out again. We found our Airbnb. We are in Phuket. I just changed my top. We're just going for a stroll and seeing what's available. I just want to crash in bed, but just going and checking something to eat. It was a hilly climb, but cab guy dropped us at the main road and we had to climb the hill.
Just a 2-minute walk, that's it.
Yeah, but with 3 suitcases, you were doing 2 suitcases.
What's up?
How's your trip been so far?
It's good, yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing. Too good. Not good, too good.
We have climbed all the way up. Now that has a huge stone. Here's the B&B. The view is amazing though. I think we'll get to see it tomorrow morning, but it's quite up the hill. Yeah, it's a run. See? And then there you go again. Wait. Shit. Okay. Level 2 crossed. We have one more dip. Have you got?
Highball.
Some sparkling wine. Cheers. Look at the vibe of this. We have come to a restaurant called Bloom.
No, not Chinese.
Online.
Google search कर लेना.
Okay, found on Google. Whatever this is, I will. Masama roti something. Is this some Indian dish or what? The way it local. Where are we heading?
Finally, we woke up early today.
And still left late.
It's okay. Tell us something. एवढे लवकर आपण नंतर निघालो.
Trying to find a bike rental place. We can just rent a bike and roam around. It's very windy here. Here the coffee club. For breakfast, it's in some mall. What mall is this?
I don't know.
Okay, some mall. It has a lot of brands and stuff underneath. That's the name. Jungsilon Patong. There's this coffee in an edible cup. I don't know if I should try it. It's just biscuit base.
One iced mocha.
Ice mocha. You want free some more medium?
Espresso coconut. This looks so yum. I wish, one second, let me just show it here actually. So good! And that's Dan's drink, it's iced mocha. It's good. It still hasn't beaten the Krabi wala Americano coconut that I had. Dirty coffee, I think, yeah. Thrifting. He wants a 7-Eleven t-shirt tank.
So he's drifting.
Found this interesting designer store. Oh my god, look at this. so cute. It's for 3,295 bahts. Fragrances as per the cities. Come here for lunch. What? So cute.
So for rice सोडून या सगळं जर तुम्ही साईड डिश मागवली ती या 50% लावतात.
Okay.
मला तू wanna order caramelized onion rice.
Wait, so what are we ordering? The must try, na? Signature. Okay, so we ordered this and we need a side dish. Where are the side dishes? This one. I'm so sleepy and I'm tired. Yum, yum, yum. These are mashed potato. I'm gonna eat with hand at the end of it. Food is so good. I'm stuffed like a stuffed paratha. Oh my god, this is such a wrong timing to shoot. Karan kya? What are you making?
I'm doing something.
Banana milk?
See, is this written banana milk?
It is banana milk.
Banana
Flavored milk.
product.
I know, Baba. Don't open it here. You have to build this and then do it. We are at Old Town Phuket. It's truly pretty. Although I'm wearing the same outfit. We're walking from the wrong street. We need to be that side. It's that fell down. This tower, where is it? Show. This fell down. अरे कोणतरी चढला आहे. Oh my god, it's such a big squirrel. I can't be seen. Guys, you can see. Dude, look at that, look at that, look at that. Huge squirrel. Reminded me of Zorro.
Traditional Phuket style steamed pork belly with pepper and garlic.
Okay. So
Sala. Cinematic.
it's our last day in Thai, Phuket, and we've come to Uncle Joe's dance fountain space yet again. Order a club sandwich. I've ordered Spanish latte. And what are these? Salted caramel macchiato and almond dosa. What did we do today? Packed out. We went for a Thai massage.
Went to Breakfast Cafe. Had coffee. Then came back to the apartment. Chilled, shopped.
7-Eleven shopping. Then we roamed a lot to find a nice Thai massage place. We found it, and then Dan booked it. It was like 90 minutes. But the moment they started doing the massage, I was like, Dan, I cannot survive for 90 minutes, so I'm gonna pass out. So then we made it back to 60 minutes, like 1 hour, because it was so intense. I was like, I cannot control it, the way, like the pressure points and everything. So we did like the 60-minute massage. Then we went back to Bloom, the same cafe we went yesterday, For
Day
dinner?
before yesterday.
Day before. For dinner, right?
Yeah, for
Yeah, for dinner. We went back there for lunch. We had some really good lunch, and now we came back to the hotel. Got a cab booked from Grab, and now we are on our way to the hotel, to the airport. Yep, yep. I have not. Technically, I don't want to leave, so even my brain is like, no, back to the hotel. Only if we had another booking. But yeah, back to Phuket Airport. Our flight is at 9:15, and it's currently 4:30. It's showing us 1 hour 20 minutes to the airport. So we reach, get everything done, and yeah, that's about it. That was our trip. We have reached the airport. We have done our check-in. We have done our security. We just have to go to gate number 84, but Dan's checking some alcohol at the duty-free. 30% off, but I'm still skeptical because I don't do impromptu choices or like purchases. So I will think about it. If I find a better deal somewhere, I will might as well take it then. For now, I have a lot of perfumes. I really don't want to spend on one more. I'm just not ready to go back to reality. I have so much work to do. I have my wedding content to be posted. I need to edit, and oh my god, it's a lot. I'm thinking to edit in the flight, but I really don't want to. I just want to enjoy the moment and actually start working the moment I get home. My new home. So yeah, it's a really weird thing that I'm not going to my home, I'm going to the new home where I'm going to be living with Dan. I'm already homesick, to be honest. I really miss my parents. I really miss Zafiel. I miss Yorel. I miss my brother, my sister. I'm feeling a little homesick already. But yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna go, once I land, I'm gonna go to my parents, meet my babies. And my straightener is laughing from the suitcase because I haven't straightened or... Hi! This baby. So I haven't straightened my hair or done anything to my hair so far at all. I was just living my curly hair, curly life. And I asked her. No, the flight is... I asked. No, and we checked in